Hi everybody, today I'm going to be doing my empties with you. Instead of it being absolutely overflowing this month, this is basically what we have. I want to try and do these more regularly for you so that my empties aren't basically like all over the floor before I get to them. And there are a few little different products in here this month, so I'm quite excited to share them with you. The first thing I'm going to talk about is not actually for me or any of the humans in this family, it's actually for the animals in the family, and I thought I'd share that with you first and get that out of the way. This is the Mucky Pup Medicated Shampoo. We actually got this from Home Bargains, and it's got a bit of residue in the bottom. It's just basically water because we actually rinsed it out. It smells really nice and it does clean the dogs really well. And yeah, I just thought it was really good because it was really great value. You get 475ml and I want to say it was only a couple of pounds, so I thought it was really good. So yeah, Home Bargains, who knew? The next thing is a Carex hand wash. There's a little bit left in, but you basically have to pour it out now because it won't come up through the pump. And I am so ready for this to be actually gone that I am throwing it away even though there's a bit left in. And you know me, I like to use every last drop of product. But this is the Carex Love Hearts one. I don't like it. It's too sweet. Love Hearts smell sweet, but they have a powdery sort of smell to them as well, which kind of takes away some of the sweetness, if that makes sense. And these are just this is just really too sweet. I don't like it at all. So we're without hand wash at the moment. We're actually just using a bar of soap. The next thing is a Ultimate Blends by Garnier. This is the Argan Richness. This one. This is actually, I got this for Tony to try, and she really liked it, and then I couldn't get it. For some reason, oh, it smells amazing. For some reason, this was not on the Superdrug website when I went to repurchase it. I don't know if it's back on now, but I actually got her another one from the Garnier range, which she really loves. It's got cocoa butter and shea butter in it. It smells amazing. But she really liked this because we had, until that point, been using the Dove with oil in it. And it was the Dove shampoo, but they seem to have discontinued them on the Superdrug site, which is a shame because I love the one for age and hair, which is really anything that goes past your ears is considered old hair. So it's not like talking about old people's hair, it's like just older hair. And it was really nourishing. So I'm very sad that they've discontinued it, but she got this instead of that one and she really liked it. So I did try another Garnier one, which she also likes as well. So that was a hit, and I would definitely pick that up again if I saw it. I have a deodorant because we like this one. This is the Mitchum Powder Fresh. Not going to talk loads about it. I like the powdery fresh one. Smells very talky. Those are the kind of very soft, subtle fragrances that I like for deodorant. And it's a good deodorant, and I have repurchased it. We've been buying that for a long period of time now. Something that's always in here, and I actually had a strawberry one and two of these Satsuma ones, is the Orange and Satsuma Shower Gel by Superdrug. You can see there is some left in there. But it's a very small amount. But yeah, it's difficult to get that out. And it spits once you get down to that last bit. This is lovely, but it's very slippy. I know that makes no sense, but it's like jelly. So you squeeze it out, and if you're not careful, it will literally just wash straight off your hands before you can even lather it or get it on your skin. So you've got to be very careful with it. But this smells totally amazing. I love this one. Very refreshing. I love citrusy and orange smells. I actually use this as a bubble bath as well. You can squirt it in the water and it creates a really nice bubble bath, which is what I do with the Satsuma shower gel from the Body Shop. But yeah, it's really, really lovely shower gel, and they're on offer at the minute. 2 for £1.50, which is really good. So I've actually ordered another couple because Tony's running out of hers. She uses the strawberry and berries one, or the berries one, and I like the Satsuma one. The next thing that is being used up, not by me, but is the Sweet Lemon Shower Gel. There's a tiny little bit in the bottom of there, but I think they're just a bit sick of it now. It's nice. It's a bit washing up liquid, sort of reminiscent. So I think that's why there's a little bit left. It's like, yeah, we've used it, but we just can't really bring ourselves to use that tiny little drop at the bottom. Shower gels from Body Shop are lovely, and they make lovely bubble baths. You just put a couple of pumps of it in the bath and a really nice foamy bubble bath as well. And I've been doing that for years because that's how they used to be marketed way back in the day, when they only did strawberry and Satsuma. Those were the only two they did, and I used to constantly buy them. I don't know if anybody remembers them. They were colourful labels and they had little animals on. And they were more in the kids range, I think, but it was then marketed as bath and shower gel. And then they changed it, and they changed them to shower gels, but I spoke to somebody in shop and I was like, you don't do the bath and shower gel. She says, oh, the shower gel is actually the same product, but it's just now labelled as a shower gel. But she says you can still use it as a bath product, as a bubble bath. So that's what I do with the Satsuma. But this was from a gift set that Tony got, and she's very much over the lemon scent now. But yeah, I mean, it's nice. They're great. They're a little more pricey, but they are really nice shower gels, so love that. Another shower gel, because I absolutely love this, is the Palm Olive Chocolate Passion Shower Gel. I get this when it's on offer. Used to be on offer for £1. The last time it was on offer it was £1.23 or £1.25. But the smell of this is amazing. It smells pure chocolate. You put it on your skin and it still smells chocolate. Superdrug did their own chocolate range, but once that gets on my skin it smells like spoilt milk. Like out-of-date milk. It curdles. It's got a horrible smell. I don't like it at all. But this is actually really nice, really thick, really creamy. It leaves you feel really moisturised. I actually just use it on my chest and shoulders, my arms, because that's why I like the scent to linger, and then I just use soap on the rest of my body because I think it's expensive to use stuff like this all over. You would go through so much. So I just tend to use it on the areas where when I get out I can still smell it on my warm skin. So I don't know if that's weird, but that's me. So yeah, that's that one, and I really love the Chocolate Passion. They do strawberry, they do mint, and they do vanilla. But chocolate's definitely my favourite one. It retails for over £2 normally. I never buy it full price. Always wait for it to be on offer. This is that Dove shampoo. I'm so sad. It's the Youthful Vitality one. And that was, I think I've still got half a tube left of my other one, and that is it, and it's gone forever, and it's very sad because it does smell nice. It does have a lovely smell. I can't open it. Yeah, it smells lovely, and it was incredibly nourishing. My hair felt so soft after using it, so I'm very disappointed that that has gone. I will have to look out in Savers, because no doubt Savers, because they are part of Superdrug, the Superdrug family, no doubt when Superdrug are no longer having that on their shelves it will end up in Savers, so I'll look out for it, and it'll be a bit cheaper as well. So the next thing is a toothpaste. Now the only reason I put this in here is because this was a glossy box item, and if I empty them I like to feedback. This is the Swiss Smile Whitening Toothpaste. I believe this was the really expensive one. It was a nice toothpaste. Did I feel it really whitened? I mean, it's a full-size sample and I did use it continually until it was empty. I didn't feel like it made a huge difference, to be honest. I don't have overly white teeth. I don't smoke and I don't drink caffeine, so I'm not really sure why. But it was good, but I think it's quite expensive and it definitely wasn't worth its price tag. I don't think it made a massive difference. I have a MAC False Lash Extreme Black. Just mini samples. I've got an absolute ton of these. I absolutely love these. They're an amazing mascara. I'm really glad to have a massive supply of them. Okay, so this is my stash. They're not all false lashes, some of them are other types of MAC mascara. I just keep them in this old Colourpop container, really handy to keep them in there, because I absolutely love them. I only use mascaras for 3 months, which is what's great about these, because these don't really last 3 months if you use them every day, and I never need to buy a MAC mascara, even though I am currently using one that I had in my stash. But yeah, nice mascara, amazing, does amazing things for my lashes, absolutely love it, but have enough in samples to keep me going for quite some time. So I would definitely purchase that if they ever stopped giving them out of samples. The next thing is a little MAC sample of the eye makeup remover. I actually have this full size. I love this eye makeup remover. It doesn't sting, removes everything. So absolutely love it. It's the one in the purple bottle and it is the eye makeup remover. It's amazing stuff, so I would definitely purchase that full size. Then I have Time Cream. I went absolutely crazy for this. It was in a glossy box, and I think it was in a glossy box. It's completely empty. I'm actually going to reuse that container because I like these little containers. They're really handy. But I love the smell of Time Cream. I use it on my neck actually. I don't use it on my face. It's a very, very rich, thick moisturiser, and I don't like it for my face, but I do like it. It keeps my neck so soft. I've only got a couple left because I went through a phase where nobody wanted it when it was actually out, and everybody was swapping it out, so I ended up with about 12 of them. I think I've got about 4 or 5 of them left, so I absolutely love that. The next item is Bare Minerals Bare Skin Foundation. I got this for Christmas a couple of years ago off the hubby, and this one's in 03 Bare Linen. I think this was the palest shade you could get at the time because it was in a set with a brush with a well in it. I love the brush. I use it with other foundations, and you're going to see in an upcoming review of a new Revolution foundation talk about that brush, because yeah, something happened when I first tried that brush with that foundation, so I'm definitely going to share that with you. But I did love this foundation so much. I'm very sad that it's gone. It is a little bit dark for me. I'm just going to try and get the excess off the end of the nozzle. That's it there. You can see it. It was a slightly dark colour for me, but the coverage of this foundation, it just covered my redness so well. It just so natural, so light on the skin, an amazing foundation. So when I have some pennies, I'm going to buy this in my shade full size, because hugely impressed with this. I think it is quite pricey. I want to say it's over £25 I think for a full size, but so worth it because it was so beautiful on. So very sad that that is gone, but that was great. And then I've only got one more thing in the box, and this is an absolute staple of mine. I love this so much, and it is the Model's Own Makeup Fixing Spray. Now, it's funny because it was pink. It came as clear pink and then it went cloudy, but it's absolutely fine. I mean, the smell of this, honestly, this is the best smelling makeup fixing spray I've ever smelled. You get an absolute load in here. It takes you ages to go through it, but this is my third bottle that I'm on to now. And the spray on this is really nicely fine misted, so I'm possibly going to keep this bottle because I do have another product in the bathroom that has a funny spray on it that doesn't spray very well, so I think I'm going to possibly put it in here instead. And the other thing I did with the other bottle is I like to use Dettol cleaning in the bathroom, so I put some Dettol solution, mixed it with water, and I actually spray it when we're finished using the bath or the sink, just to kind of keep, you know, keep everything clean, get rid of germs. So that's what I use the other bottle for, but it's a really nice fine spray, so I do want to keep the bottle for that. But that is basically what it looks like, because I had to get my replacement out. But I repurchased, and now it's clear. This is, and I used Fix Plus, I've used Avon, I'm a bit very damp now because I sprayed so much. I've used all sorts of fixing sprays. This is the best ever, hands down. It's $7.99 for a bottle, but it's a huge bottle. How much do you get in there? You get 200 mils. That's massive. A lot of fixing sprays do not come with 200 mils worth of product. And you pay half, well, you probably pay about £4, £5 for one that's half the size of this. So you might as well pay £8 and get one that is this size and is amazing. I got this, the ones that I did get, I got 3 bottles because they were on offer for $4.99. And if you spent over $15, you got free postage, and I got that in the January sale because I knew that I was coming on to my last bottle and I thought I cannot be without this. And at £5 a bottle, that is amazing. It's technically like buying 2 and getting 1 free. And I use this every single day. And what I do is I tend to apply my foundation, and then I put my powder on, and then I will spritz it. I do my eye makeup, then I spritz before mascara, then I will finish the rest of my face with blush, highlight, mascara, and then I will spritz again. So I actually spritz it a couple of times to kind of set each layer and melt everything together as I'm going. And this stuff is amazing. I do think it makes a difference to how long my makeup lasts. I absolutely love it. I love the smell, I love the bottle. I think it's the best makeup spray ever, and it's worth investing that £8 in. If you can get it on offer, even better, and they often have offers on their website, so it's well worth looking at. They did used to retail on Superdrug and at Boots, but I don't know whether either of them are even carrying the brand anymore. But they've definitely come a lot more about makeup now than nails, and they used to be just completely nails, so it's really quite nice. But I got this just on a one-off once, and then I fell in love with it so much, so I ended up picking more of these. In fact, this must be the 3rd bottle I've used, because I bought it as a 3 for 2 and I got 2 other things. And then I got it on the 3 for 2 again and I got 3 bottles. And I know that's my 3rd bottle from that set, the 3 for 2. So this is bottle number 4. So that speaks volumes. This is, you know, I still do use Fix Plus occasionally. I still sometimes like to set because I've got the rose scented one and the other one, the fruity one. But for me, this is just the best and I use it every single day and highly recommend it. And that is it. That is my box empty, just a little bit of water in the bottom. Disgusting. And that's it for today's video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you very much for watching as always. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.